guys, Shani, and I'm back with another video. I just want to say thank you guys so much. We reached 100 subscribers. We reached it last night, and I'm just so grateful and happy to all my 100 subscribers. Like, what's tea? What's good with y'all? Say hi in the chat. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I mean, it's only up from here. Like, we just gonna keep going up. So yeah, today is just a typical Saturday, but we are gonna be romanticizing our Saturday. Like, we don't need to be doing a whole lot to, you know, appreciate and enjoy a typical Saturday, you know? I don't really know what my plans are today, but whatever it is, I'm gonna make it look cinematic. I just got ready because we're supposed to be going to the mall. So yeah. I'm like so bad with intros. Like, I just be like, so I'm just really bad with intros. I don't know. Maybe it's good to y'all, but it feels bad to me.
Why are you trying to be my girl? Yeah. I can't believe it. No, you got a man. You have a man. You got a man. Why are you trying to be my girl? Yeah. I can't believe it. No, you got a man. You have a man. You got a man. Why are you trying to be my girl? Yeah. I can't believe it. No, you got a man. You have a man. You got a man. Why are you trying to be my girl? Yeah. I can't believe it. No, you got a man. You have a man. Trying to be.
We're in Forever 21 looking for some clothes for our Shimon. Whole store's on sale and it's closing down. That would look nice. We're in Aeropostale. I mean, I'm not here to buy anything, but the jeans here are cute, and it's buy one, get one free. Look at these low-rise flare. Hello? Like, this is tea. Okay, the other one was a 00, but this is just a 0. This fits way better. I just love the pockets. I love a low-rise look. Test if the jeans are worth it. Like, can you dance in the jeans or? It's good.
You want Auntie Annie's or boba? Which one?
What do you?
I don't know.
It's good. Okay, yeah, I'm back. I went to Sephora to get a birthday gift. I never claimed my birthday gift there. I really went in there because I wanted to try the e.l.f. Gorilla Grip, the e.l.f. Grip Primer. But the gift was Makeup by Mario lip liner. Now you can see I'm a brown lip liner girly, so this is kind of light, but we're gonna see what it's looking like. I've never had Makeup by Mario. I've never tried any of his products. Ooh. I love when they look like this. Oh, what can oh yeah. I love how this looks. The lipstick is not bad. I tried to buy stuff, but I didn't like it, so I just did a lip combo with some brown. It's not bad. I wouldn't use it again though, because I don't know how to close it. Like, I twisted it up, but it wouldn't twist down. So it's wraps. I'm supposed to be editing, but like I'm getting there though. Like, I need to chill first. I need 30 minutes. Watch her and then I'm gonna start editing. Like it's gonna be up by Sunday. Like I promise y'all. I was supposed to take a 1 hour nap and it turned into 2. So yeah. Prepping some greens for tomorrow.
Just hung up the phone at night. Could already tell that you come here home intoxicated. Ooh, so you better take your time. Me, 'cause I remember last time you wouldn't make love to me. Then you fell fast asleep. Wouldn't even talk to me.